Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jada. If you've seen that title, you already know. Today is another hair slay. The company that I'm going to be featuring in today's video is going to be Cynosure Hair. This is the bag that my wig came in. Y'all, when I tell you I am in love with this unit, I do not want to take it off. I promise you I don't want to take it off. Like, look how it looks. It looks so pretty. It's their 20-inch water wave 5x5 wig. It is HD lace, and as y'all can tell, I slayed it. It really doesn't even look like a closure wig. That was the look that I was going for. I wanted to look like a frontal as much as possible, especially with curly hair. I like my curly hair to look really frontal looking, like extra baby hairs and you know, all that stuff. So that's what I tried to do in today's video. I think I did a good job. Let me know what y'all think below how I did, because I think it looked good. Like, my install process to me is getting way better. Also, I did dye this unit jet black. I'm gonna leave all the extra details in the description box below, so y'all make sure to look at that when y'all are done watching the video. Once again, this is Cynosure Hair. I really don't have anything bad to say about this company. Like I said, I worked with them in the past. Love their hair, just love it all around. No issues at all. Shipping time was good. I'm gonna say 4 days max, 4 to 5 days max. Packaging, no problem. Everything was cute. They sent me a lot of little goodies in the bag and stuff like that. Thank y'all for that. This is the bag that my wig came in. This is a little bag that you can store your wig in when you take it off. I still have everything in the bag. I feel like I did really good on this install, so I'm gonna let y'all enjoy that part, and I'm gonna catch y'all in my next video. Y'all make sure to leave comments below, like, do y'all like this look? Because I feel like I did good. Like, I really feel like I did good on this install. So I hope y'all enjoy it. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on all my social sites, and I'm gonna catch y'all in my next video. Yeah, I decided to pop in and out of this video to give y'all more details on this whole install. So as y'all can see in the video, my lace did tear. I had to go ahead and sew it back up because I'm not about to waste no wig. So that's what I did. I'm going to be using my Ruby Kisses 3D face creator in the color level 15. That's my color. I always use the lighter shade. You can test your colors at the beauty supply store, so that's how you do that. But I know I use a level 15. I use the lightest color. Let me tell you about this boho liquid gold. So I've been using this for a little while, and y'all, when I tell y'all in love, like, it kind of reminds me of Got2b glue, but it's not as hard and messy as Got2b glue, and it dries really quick. Like, if you like to do glueless installs, this is for you. I've been using it for a while now, and when I tell y'all, easy to put on, easy to take off, I love it. It's only $24 when it's on sale, sis. So y'all need to invest in that. As y'all can tell, I barely like using adhesives and stuff on my skin because it just breaks me out and it irritates me. So I like to use that boho, and it does really good. I don't know if y'all noticed, but your girl got a new baby hair method. And y'all, when I say I've been loving this method, I'm gonna do a in-depth what the fuck? I'm gonna do an in-depth, detailed video on my baby hair because this method has been given, like, girl, when I tell you baby hair don't live, lace don't live, none of that, and it lasts for a minute. Like, if you take care, it's gonna last. So I'm gonna do an in-depth video just for y'all on baby hair because I feel like I mastered it now, kinda, you know what I'm saying? Like, I kind of feel like I done got it. So this step right here is totally optional. I just like to go in my Ruby Kisses and put it in my part to make it give that crisp look. You know, I don't know. I've just been loving this look. It makes it look so much better. But it's totally optional. It's up to you. Yeah, this step is totally optional too, but I've been using this spritz on top of my hair when I'm finished with my style, and for some reason it kind of sets that top part into place. Like, all those flyaways just disappear. So like I said, this is optional, but I love it. Now, if you're an OG subscriber, you already know about this product. Like, if you know, you know. Like, you done been here for a while. I've been using Curl Max for a minute, and when I tell y'all, the best curl activator ever. Like, y'all need to go out and get it. I'm gonna leave the link to that below. Y'all make sure y'all purchase that. It's for all curly, wavy type textures hair. Make sure y'all get that, because that's an essential.